Hello student, good morning. Today I will explain you significance of computerized accounting system and then features of accounting packages. Okay, क्योंकि हमने फीचर्स देखे हैं कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग के, अब अकाउंटिंग पैकेज के फीचर्स क्या है वो भी हम देखेंगे, बट उससे पहले सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम देखते हैं. Accounting is a wasteful activity when we look at it from a productivity angle. The function does not contribute even a single rupee to the revenue of a company, but without it, it is difficult to know how effectively a business firm is managed. Hence, accounting is necessary. And computerized accounting save a lot of labor and money involved in routine bookkeeping and accounting activities. The first significance of a computerized accounting system is no annual ritual of book closures, then high efficiency of computerized accounting, then easy correction of errors. Next is no delay in generation of accounts and reports. Okay, no annual ritual of book closures means in a manual system of accounting, every year fresh set of books of account have to be opened after closing the accounting books of the previous year. Okay, then computerized accounting avoid this annual ritual of year-end closing and new year opening of accounts. It saves a lot of labor and stationery, office space, which otherwise is taken up by books of accounts of the current year and previous years. Okay. Second significance is high efficiency of computerized accounting. The computer software classifies accounting data and posts them to respective ledger accounts. It is the most important source of efficiency of operations. Once the voucher is entered, the rest of the work is automatic. Thus, there is no manual effort of posting, balancing, preparing trial balance and other accounts. Okay. Third one is easy correction of error, means any error in voucher entry, ledger classification, etc. can be easily corrected. No rectification entries are needed. The voucher itself is available for correction or modification. Next point is no delay in generation of accounts and reports. Voucher entry completes the accounting work. Rest of the work is computer managed. Instant reports, income statements, balance sheet, etc. can be generated. Okay. Quick generation of customized reports means the report can be customized to meet the requirements of each user. They can be generated by a few keystrokes. Okay, then अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर मीन्स व्हाट मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इज अ फंडामेंटल एप्लीकेशन दैट अलाउज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू रिकॉर्ड द फ्लो of money for internal as well as external review and auditing. Accounting software is the important tool for assessing the financial position of the organization and for meeting legal requirements through such a financial tool as a general ledger account, receivable and payable, purchase order, stock or inventory and billing. Modern implementation of the application extend to payroll modules, then electronic payment, timesheet, expenses among application extend to then it is also capable for presenting a quick summary of profits and loss along with your other financial transactions. It also helps to meet the legal requirements of the specific region or country where your business is operating. Okay. Then types of सॉफ्टवेयर मीन टाइप्स क्या क्या है तो अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट एंड रिपोर्ट ऑन द फाइनेंशियल viability of business. This software is critical to the proper administration of an organization. The itemized classification of accounting softwares are spreadsheet, then enterprise resource planning software and custom accounting software, which means स्प्रेडशीट एक है, देन कमर्शियल अवेलेबिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर है, देन एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है और कस्टम अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है. तो स्प्रेडशीट मीन्स अ स्मॉल बिजनेस कैन बी रन जस्ट बाय यूजिंग एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्प्रेडशीट फॉर इट्स अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. Spreadsheets are typically only used by little enterprises that have very low transactions volume. The spreadsheet software is inexpensive and the system can be very good in any way at all. However, in this software, the information may be entered in the wrong place, incorrectly, or not entered at all, resulting in accurate financial information. To help with bookkeeping, small business often use spreadsheet programs such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, or OpenOffice. Okay. Second type is commercial available software. This is known as commercial off the shelf software. COTS is the predominant accounting software used throughout the world. Is moderatorily or modern functions to the requirement of the business, contains maximum remedies for error detection to prevent the entry of incorrect information. Okay. Then enterprise resource planning software means ERP. ERP हम कॉलेज में भी यूज़ करते हैं, आपको बताया जाता है देखो ERP पे आप देख सकते हो, हमने ये अपलोड किया है, आप ERP से ये देख लो. ओके. तो उसका मतलब एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. ERP इज़ मोस्ट पॉपुलर सॉफ्टवेयर, integrates information from all parts of business into a single database. Naturally, this approach eliminates the problems associated with having independent department specific software that does not share information. However, ERP software is also more expensive and may require more than a year to install. This software is usually only needed by the largest and most complex organization. Custom accounting software. This software is usually needed when an entity requirements are so specific that they cannot be met by a COTS or ERP packages. It means this software is custom developed for an organization. However, this software is rarely taken because it requires more maintenance than other software available in the market. Okay. देन व्हाट इज़ द अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज, हम फीचर्स देखने वाले हैं, तो उससे पहले हमें व्हाट इज़ द अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज देखना चाहिए। आपने सुना है कि सॉफ्टवेयर है, सॉफ्टवेयर के पैकेजेस होते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर के टाइप्स होते हैं, बट व्हाट इज़ द एग्जैक्ट, तो सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ द जनरल नेम given to all program and routine associated with the effective use of hardware resources. The commonly used operating system are Windows, MS-DOS and Unix. Types of accounting software package में आता है standard accounting system can be two type. First one is general purpose software and second tailor made software. Okay, general purpose software has a certain amount of flexibility. It can be used by various customers by adjusting their requirements according to the software, and a tailor-made software is developed according to the specification of particular customer or organization. Okay, then उसके बाद हम देखेंगे फीचर्स. ओके, accounting can be computerized using custom built accounting software or off the shelf accounting package like EXNGN and Tally. The custom built software is specifically developed for a firm after detailed study of its accounting and financial information requirements. The custom-made software exactly fits in the requirements. It does not require further modification if it is systematically developed and implemented. But such custom-made accounting software has high risk. The time, effort of money involved in such a project are very high. Most firms cannot afford or cannot take to develop such accounting software for them. Software companies develop the off-the-shelf accounting software packages after studying the general requirements of business firm. They contain a large number of features that can be used and customizing the package for any particular firm. The features may vary from package to package, yet they all seem to have more or less the same core. The general features जो है accounting packages के, तो first one is off the shelf package are less expensive than custom built package. Second one is they take less time for implementation as the system is described in detail and the implementation steps are clearly laid down in the manual supplied to the firm. Then third one is detailed system documentation available with the package makes it user friendly. Next one is the package have been subjected to detailed checks by the vendors to ensure reasonable quality and reliability of the software packages. If the packages have been in use for some time, user feedback will be available. The company can use the feedback from existing customers of the package to make an informed informed choice before buying and implementing a package. Last one is off the shelf package are more efficient in terms of speed, accuracy, and memory requirements. The accounting packages minimum manual input, they need only voucher entry. This improves efficiency, speed, and accuracy of the accounting activities. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया. इसके बाद डिसएडवांटेजेस एंड एडवांटेजेस देखेंगे. देन मेन पॉइंट जो हमें देखना है वो है यूज़. कहाँ कहाँ पे अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ होता है. डिसएडवांटेजेस मीन्स व्हाट, क्या क्या है उसमें कि वेरी लिमिटेड कस्टमाइजेशन इज पॉसिबल विद दिस पैकेज. Then though the cost of the shell package is falling, the the packages get upgraded too frequently as the new version offer more efficient processing and user friendliness. The user are tempted to buy never variation or much more. They are not available for ununique processing need of individual users or user organization. Okay, then security risk is another factor to be considered in implementing of the shell package in large organization. And there is also possibility to buy of bug lying under undetected in software package sourced from outside. ओके, ये हो गए डिसएडवांटेजेस. उसके बाद कंप्यूटराइज्ड सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज़ कहाँ कहाँ पे होता है. तो फर्स्ट रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन के लिए होता है. देन डेटर्स अकाउंटिंग के लिए, स्टोर अकाउंटिंग के लिए, पेरोल अकाउंटिंग के लिए, फिनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग में भी हमारा कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ होता है. ओके, तो जब भी बिज़नेस का कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन हो, मतलब छोटा हो या बिज़नेस रजिस्ट्रेशन से बिज़नेस का जो प्रोडक्शन है वहाँ तक हम सब रिकॉर्ड कंप्यूटराइज कर सकते हैं, मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करके. अगर हमने कोई बिज़नेस हमें स्टार्ट करना है तो वो स्टार्ट कितने रुपए से हमने किया है, या फिर हमारा बेसिक प्रोडक्शन क्या था, वो प्रोडक्ट करते टाइम कितना एक्सपेंसेस हो गया और उसके बदले में वो सेल किया और उसके बदले में कितने पैसे मिले, ये सब हमें ये जो यूज़ हो कंप्यूटराइज अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर का, उसमें हम देखेंगे कि कहाँ कहाँ ये सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करते हैं और उसका क्या यूज़ होता है और उससे क्या बेनिफिट मिलते हैं. ओके, तो computers are used in almost all aspects of accounting through accounting software package. In actual practice, a large number of standardized and ready-made software packages are available in the market. Today, every business concern following a computerized accounting system is using this software package more conveniently. The most common use of accounting software covers the following important areas. First one, recording of business transaction. Computers can be used for maintaining Computers can be used for maintaining the record of day-to-day transaction up to date As the number of transactions increase, it becomes very difficult to keep the records of all the transactions up to date manually. The required information is available, which can be used by management for planning, decision making or control purpose. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम पूरे यूज़ देखेंगे. थैंक यू.